Okay, guys, today's topic is about phrases. What is a phrase? It's a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. Okay? It's incomplete. Why it is incomplete? Because there is no subject and verb together. Okay? If there is subject and verb, it can be a clause or a sentence. When there can be only a verb, there can only be a subject, but not both of them together. Okay, like for example, in the earth, on a wall, these are all examples of phrases. Okay, let's find out the difference between a phrase and a clause. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb. Okay, as I told you. Then phrase, it lacks subject-verb combination. For example, in this example, I read a book. This is a clause. It has a subject and it has an action like read. So it's a clause. After school, if you separate it, it does not give you a complete sense, right? But along with the clause or along with the sentence, it gives you the meaning. It helps you in understanding the sentence in a better way. So phrase gives its meaning when you attach it with the clause or a sentence. Again, the difference between clause and a phrase. So a group of words that contains a subject and a verb, and phrase, a group of words without subject verb component. So here guys, some of the kinds of phrases are given. I'm not discussing the clauses because our topic is about phrase, so let's see the kinds of phrases. So like for example, if you say best friend, so usually it is used as a noun phrase. Verb phrase has only verbs like was, working. Adjective phrase, it functions like an adjective. Adverb phrase like an adverb. And preposition phrase begins with a preposition. Let's discuss them in detail. Like types of phrases. And what is our first type? Noun phrase. As I told you, it's a group of words that function like a noun in a sentence. What is a noun? A noun is used as a subject or object in the sentence, right? Or a complement. Let's see in the examples, guys. I drank the milk in the glass. I drank what? That's your noun phrase, and it is used as an object. I is the subject, drank is the verb, and this whole phrase is functioning as an object. Then, read this sentence without this phrase. Are my favorite, what is your favorite? Scented candles. So scented candle is a noun phrase used as a subject of the sentence. Then it seems since this morning. What it seems? A long time. So it's the complement of the sentence. Okay. Adjective phrase, as it is clear from the name, guys, adjective phrase is used as an adjective. It functions like an adjective. It modifies the noun or a pronoun in the sentence. Let's see from the examples. Ahmad has hair. What kind of hair? Silky smooth. When you put two or more than two adjectives together, it will become adjective phrase. Then people are English teachers. Which people? On your left. So on your left is an adjective phrase. This car is. So you're describing the car. This car is very fast. So this is giving information to you about the car. Adverb phrase. It functions like an adverb and it modifies the verb, adjective or another adverb. Let's see from the examples. He drives. How he drives? Very fast. So this whole phrase is functioning as an adverb. They saw some abandoned puppies where? At the corner of the street. So this is like an adverb phrase. Okay. Later this evening, I will go to the cafe. So when will I go? Later this evening. Verb phrase, guys. This is the easiest phrase. It has only verbs. You cannot put any other word with verb phrase. Whenever you want to combine them, join them, okay, or identify the verb phrase in a sentence, you must need to underline or circle just verbs. Okay. See here in all of these examples, the underlined words are verbs. Helping verb, main verb. Helping verb, again helping verb, main verb. So verb phrase only makes combination with verbs and it functions like a verb. Prepositional phrase is again very easy to identify. What is a prepositional phrase? It begins with a preposition and it functions like an adjective or adverb. It does not function like a preposition. Okay? It functions like an adjective or adverb. The thing is that it just begins with the preposition. See here in these examples, guys, the jewelry boxes were kept inside. Inside is a preposition. Inside the cupboard. And it functions as an adverb, right? Like where the jewelry boxes were kept. It is describing the verb kept. The girl is my friend. Which girl? With long hair. So it is describing the girl. So it functions like an adjective. Why it is prepositional phrase? Because it begins with a preposition. So guys, from these examples, we have concluded that a prepositional phrase can be adjective and can be adverb. So, for example, in your exam, if you have to name the phrase, you can name them. If this kind of example is there, you can write prepositional phrase or adverb phrase. If this kind of example is given, again you have two options. You can say it's a prepositional phrase or an adjective phrase. Right, guys? Okay, thank you very much.